Mr. Adebanjo, I'm your lawyer, okay? And I want you to tell me nothing but the truth. This Esther girl, did you have anything to do with her?
To be honest, yes.
That's true. And aside her, are there any other students that you are involved in this kind of,
There are actually several. I don't know where to start counting from. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4?
Mr. Adebanjo! You're already reaching 4! It's not too much for crying out loud now.
How is that your business?
Hello, Mama. I've told you times without number. When the time is right, I will get married. But for now, I'm not ready. Mama, just because I told you that I like Bom Bom, you went to that girl you brought from the village. I won't lie to you. Mama, it's not because of Bom, it's not only Bom Bom I'm looking. That girl, she doesn't wash her nash. I won't lie. Now, even the tissue self, I just don't want to complain because it's woman matter. Please, I beg you, when it's time, Lagos girls, Mama, that one, don't just go there. I've told you that all the whole Lagos girls are mad.
Lawyer.
I don't have strength for... Mama, I'll call you back. Yes, a serious case.
Good morning, I'm Esther Ajayi, the one who has the lecturer's case.
Sorry. Good morning, Esther. How may I help you?
Oh, you have my case already, so today we're supposed to appear in court. I told you about the lecturer that has been... Well, has just been harassing.
Yes, this your... I remember now, Oh yes, Esther, I remember. You have the court case is today, have you?
Yes.
The hearing is today.
Yes.
My God. First of all, I didn't know you were this beautiful. You caught me unawares, especially the fact that I was even talking about marriage with my mom, and you just walked in like God sent you. But case first.
Listen, this lecturer job is a thankless job, right? So I have to find other ways to gratify myself. And if you see what these girls are wearing these days, you won't blame me. There's so much temptation.
I don't think this is a matter of what the girls are wearing. This is a huge problem. This is total lack of self-discipline.
Oh, okay. Maybe I would have been able to control myself if my wife was even giving me some action. But no, all that woman knows how to do is to complain. And all she wears around in the house is one old wrapper she got from her mother's burial. How is that supposed to turn me on? When I look around, they're trying to look at my wife, all I see is a dead woman.
So we're diving into your marital crisis at this point now. Understand that if the details of this case go out of here, you are on trial for a criminal offense. I'm a criminal lawyer, don't mean I'm a lawyer to criminals. So I will just assume that this testimony that you testify, I'm not a party to it. And when we get to court, you know what you will see. You are having relationship with people that you can father. Professor Adebanjo, like 2 years, no years. And make sure that after this case has been resolved, if you don't go back to those ways again, because personally I will prosecute you and lock you up in the thing.
I'll try.
Okay, this is your farm. I can't believe that nasty lecturer tried to take advantage of
I am tired of it, that's why I'm here in court.
Are you serious?
I'm just a hardworking student that just wants to make it, but this man just tries to take advantage and make everything hard for me. So
that is just crazy. I mean, see me here looking for who to marry, and somebody is taking advantage of such a beautiful girl like you. You're very beautiful. So, that came out wrong. I'm so sorry. I will get justice for you. I will get justice. Well, that is what I do. I promise. First of all, what would you like? How would you like us to handle this case? Like, what's the...
I want that man to suffer. Because he has stressed me a lot. He has given me so much pain. I want him to see the pain, to feel the pain.
It's a pity that as I'm observing this case, it's not going to end in your favor, if I'm going to be honest with you, based on what I know already, Seth.
Well, let me assure you that if you help me win this case, I have a lot of good gifts for you.
What do you mean?
Cynthia and Sandra, Please come in.
What's going on here? Yes, hello, good afternoon.
Just to show you a little sample of what you can have and more if you can win this case.
Did my secretary see you on your way here? Please leave this place. Leave this place with you. I will join here together. Leave this place, my friend.
You know what? Just wait for me outside.
Sorry, my dear, what is going on here?
Just wait outside.
What is funny to you? Secretary, don't let them. So, what is this, Professor Demanjo?
Relax, Mr. Barrister. Calm down.
Is this your parole? This is how you operate?
You're going to enjoy me.
Professor Demanjo, your case is an intricate one. Please perfect my legal brief, and after now, I don't want to see you anywhere near my premise again.
Just a hardworking student trying to make it in this school. He just said he will fail me, which he actually did. He failed me. Are you listening to me? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just...
Do you need something?
I need you. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Oh, no. So is there anything else I need to know before we go to court?
No, I'll pay you the balance after court once we're done with the case.
Stop that. You know, there's this challenge on the internet that was like Esther was black and broke. But when Esther see money, you don't need to do anything. Seeing you alone, I'm already established.
Thank you so much.
I would love us after this case and I help you put the man in jail. I would love to go on a date with you. I mean, you are such a beautiful girl. There's nothing else I can ask.
Thank you, I appreciate it. There'll be no problem.
Wow. All right. We can go.
There's more from where that came from.
I don't want to know, Prof.
It's fine. I'm sure a monetary compensation will do it. You will be rewarded handsomely.
Already, I'm feeling like a party to crime. All these things against university policy now. How much monetary reward are we looking at? Exactly.
It's an open check. Put any figure you want, as long as you win the case.
That's okay. The nonsense that you are saying in my office should not get to court. Okay. Please, if I cannot be tied to the nonsense that you are parading, Professor Adebanjo. I mean, they came my church, okay?
I understand. My lips will be sealed.
No problem. Let me just listen to
you know, this one not to the ever ridiculous cuts. And the mumu cut clerk with the frustrated judge. And because of money, the case where the judge they solve. Now case you baby say no my person. No so get first, she get touch. He don't scatter, he don't bust. Since morning I never chop. Now this matter with the wahala. He don't gas, he don't tuka, he don't cast. Because of I'm no sure. But it's okay they for power. We get crazy, we get touch. He don't scatter, he don't bust. Since morning I never chop.
All right.
You can sit.
Yeah, shall we go ahead with the case of the day?
The case for today is suit number LAG 7283GGGGE. Esther versus Mr. Adebanjo. Are the parties in court?
Yes.
You may proceed, my lord.
Counsel, you may open your case.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, my Alpha and Omega, there is this joy of always being in your presence because I trust in your judgment. My lord, with your permission, I would like to call the beautiful, smart, sexy Miss Esther to the podium.
You don't say na offense to the guest sexual relationship with your client.
I don't know if you love your job. I love my job so much that I also fall in love with my client.
Order!
Please, call the woman to the stand, please.
Miss Esther, please take the stand.
Hello, what's wrong with you? I'm not sure she knew where the podium was.
Shall you be Christian or Muslim?
Christian.
Now say after me. Put your name.
I, Esther Ajayi.
Do solemnly swear that everything I shall say in this court shall be the truth and nothing but the truth.
Do solemnly swear that everything I say in this court shall be the truth and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
My lord, may I?
Yes, you may.
If I may.
That's right.
Miss Esther, please can you do this honorable court the favor of introducing yourself so we know who you are and what you do?
My name is Esther Ajayi. I'm a 300 level student, accounting, Dexter University.
And do you recognize this man here?
Yes, I do.
So please do us a favor and tell us who he is and what is his relationship to you.
He's my lecturer in school, Mr. Adebanjo.
Mr. Adebanjo.
Objection, my lord. My client has been wrongly addressed. It's not a Mr. Sir, it's a professor.
Objection sustained. Yeah, but,
Professor Adebanjo.
Professor Adebanjo. Okay, please can you explain to the court what your relationship with Mr. Adebanjo, Professor Adebanjo is?
I'm just a student.
Just a student. And which course does he teach?
Finance.
Finance. Fantastic. According to the case that we have in court, where you are being coerced to offer sex for grade, please, would you give us a short narration of what conspired between you and Mr. Professor Adebanjo sitting here? Please, just briefly. My lord, please, permission to console my client.
Objection, my lord. Objection, my lord. Please, this is improper conduct in the court.
No, it's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Madam, please calm down, okay? Okay? Calm down, okay? All right. And then say what you have to say.
I'm a regular student in this school. I've been having family problems for like 2 years now. So I've not really been doing well in school. And then he now said after class, he now said I should see his office.
In his office.
I've never been there before. And then...
What's wrong with you? Please, permission to cry with my client. My judge, this is a very emotional moment for her.
So can't you compose yourself? Can't you bring yourself together?
Sorry.
What's up? What's up?
Just try.
You know, he said he will fail me.
He will fail you
If I don't...
if you don't. My lord, she's trying to say Mr. Adebanjo, Professor Adebanjo here told her that if he does not have intercourse with her, my lord, please tell me what is the relationship between intercourse and finance.
Well, they are both causes.
May that cause rain on me. No, my lord, because I'm upset.
No.
Because this is a clear example of sex for grades, which is against both the constitution of the country and the constitution of the school.
Yes.
Okay.
Please, can you, and what happened after he asked for that?
I beg you. I say I don't do that. I don't. As a child of God, I don't do that. He did not answer me, so I ran away.
You ran! My lord, she ran. She ran away.
I left there.
My lord, he who fights and run away lives to fight another. And that's why we're here today.
Okay, so what happened after that? That's it?
Yes, she ran, man.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's all?
No, he still failed me.
He still feel that. Can you imagine, my lord?
Okay, after running his
With all the school fees she will pay and what she will write in her exam, it does not matter.
He not told the other lecturers to fail me.
Hello? What is somebody died here? Smoking.
Sorry, my lord. But my lord,
Continue.
if you are indeed my father, and I will tell you for a fact, this deserves nothing than a death sentence.
Hello. Let me determine that, okay? Are you done with your questioning? Okay. All right. Thank you. Do you have any questions for the?
Yes, my lord. Okay. Miss Esther, I believe you told this honorable court that you studied accounting.
Yes, I did. I am still studying it.
Good. So why can you not give a proper account as to what happened between you and her?
Objection, my lord. Her cause has nothing to do with what we are doing here in this court, my lord.
Well, objection overruled. Continue with your.
Thank you very much, my lord. I put it to this honorable court that this lady studied theatre arts. If not, why is she being dramatic in this honorable court?
My lord, we can't accept this, my lord. My father, we can't accept this.
Hello, somebody, objection sustained. You cannot just come up with that, okay? If she did not say she studied theatre, you cannot say she.
Apologies, my lord.
All right, thank you.
I'm just getting started.
That's imposition.
Okay. Miss Esther, during your testimony, you mentioned you have family problems that allowed you to fail drastically in school. If I may ask, when did this family problem start?
It started about, it's like 2 years ago.
And what level are you now?
300.
My lord, please, if I may approach the bench with exhibits.
You may.
My lord, please,
What's that?
my lord, what is this? What is this, my lord?
My lord, submitted before the court and in your hands now is the transcript of the said Miss Esther to prove that she has been failing since her 100 level, even before the claimed family problem. Order!
It's personal problem.
Please, how did you come to that conclusion? Yeah.
My lord, if I may, you want this man. Miss Esther, what is your relationship between my client here? If you can tell this honorable court.
It's an educational relationship. He's my lecturer in class.
And you recognize this face before you?
Yes, I do.
Do you recognize any other part of his body?
Objection, my lord! My objection, my lord. Big objection. I object my objection, my lord. He's trying to say she recognized other part of his body, my lord. Even me, I don't know how my lower part look like because I never looked down.
Why are you so sure that he's asking about the lower part?
Thank you so much.
You are jumping into conclusions, okay? Will you let this court ride on its own law?
No spoil our bench.
It's okay, my lord.
My lord, there is no rest for the
Please get straight to the point.
My lord, there is no rest for the wicked. As you have seen before I even concluded my question, he has jumped into conclusion. That is to say, he knows what his client is doing. It is on this note, my lord, that I, Barrister Layi Wasabi, barrister and solicitor of the Supreme Court in the High Court, decide to arrest my case.
Okay. Would that be all?
That's all.
No more questions?
No more questions.
Thank you, Miss Esther. You may sit down.
You may have your seat.
Yes,
My lord, my client is going through a lot of emotional trauma. I'm just trying to be there for her.
Okay. Yeah. Can we go ahead with your client? Yes.
Mr. Adebanjo. Sorry. Professor Adebanjo. Please take the stand. Are you a Christian or a Muslim?
None. I'm actually not a fan of religion.
So you go pick one now. How we go move forward?
You see, I'm just a man that shows love. My life is about being kind-hearted and loving people and showing love to everybody I come across, just like Miss.
Objection, my lord. My lord, it's either you're a Christian or you're a Muslim or you're a goat. Yeah. So is he telling us, this honorable court, there is nothing but an animal, sir?
Objection overruled, okay? Because of your use of language, okay?
Sorry, man.
Hello?
Can we finish do this swearing and get
Order!
All I'm trying to say is that my belief is immaterial here. I believe more in. I actually believe that women are the real gods.
Now women you believe in, Abi. Woman dey for Quran. Woman dey for Bible. For Bible, Eve dey there. Potiphar's wife, he dey. Then Delilah, she dey. Jezebel self dey. For Quran, then get married, then get many.
Exactly. And you see how pleasing these women were. So, based on that, for now, let me be a Christian.
Well, put him on hold.
Put your hand. Say hi. Put your name.
I, Professor Debanjo Olaolukola.
Do solemnly swear that everything I shall say in this court shall be the truth and nothing but the truth.
Do solemnly swear that everything I say in this court shall be the truth and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me, goddess.
No, sit down. Can we begin?
Yes. Thank you, my lord. Professor Alibanjo, please, can you tell this honorable court what you do for me?
I am a professor of accounting at the Executive.
Yes. Do you recognize this lady seated across?
Yes, I do. Miss Esther is my student and my very close friend.
Objection, my lord. There is nowhere it's written in the laws of a university that a lecturer should have personal relationship with his or her students.
Objection overruled. He has just said that he was friends with her. Nothing more. Yeah?
That's so in the start.
Okay.
My lord, you have to admit that at this point, the objections are becoming prevalent.
Yeah.
I'm beginning to lose my temper.
That is not for you to lose your temper. It is for me here to lose my temper. Okay? All right. Okay. All right. Shall we continue, please?
Professor Adebanjo, I must say that as a fellow man, in fact, I think that you are quite easy on that.
My lord, I get you. That is, you see, you heard it.
Hello.
And there's no coercion here.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Presumptions. Please. Yes. Please sit down. Thank you. Sit down.
But look at me. Don't you think so?
I agree. Would you say that given your stature, facial symmetry, the baritone of your voice, that ladies often find you attractive?
Oh yes, always.
And I think we can agree in the court.
And
You also stated in your oath that you are a respecter of women. Would you say that it is in your nature to coerce a lady against her will to be in a relationship?
no, I would never do a thing like that. No, just look at me. Every woman would love to have someone like me.
I object that. Yeah! I object.
And this is why, my lord, Miss Esther here fell hopelessly in love with me.
My lord, what the fuck? What the hell? Sorry, my lord. Fuck the what? Sorry.
Nigga.
You too.
Nigga.
You too.
My lord. I'm taking it easy.
Can we close?
Nigga, mind your
Can we
speech.
close this case?
Nigga, mind your words. Nigga.
Can we close this case without your proofing?
Yes.
Apologies, my lord. Apologies, my lord.
My lord, if I may conclude, and that is the reason why she felt she could hold me to herself and expect that because I am close to her that I will give her grades that she does not deserve.
Wow. Professor Adebanjo, would you say it is your nature to give students grades that they don't deserve?
No, I never do that, and that is why she has brought me to court.
Can you tell this honorable court what transpired between the both of you for her to expect that kind of favor from you?
You know, because I'm very nice to women normally and naturally, and you know, I show love in different forms. She started trying to make an attempt at things that I rebuffed. And like, why?
My lord, my client is even
My lord!
My client is even objecting.
Hello.
How can a grown-ass man here be lying on his
My lord,
student?
if I may approach the bench with another exhibit.
Okay.
You may.
Please keep your exhibit to yourself.
My lord,
Yeah.
presented before the court is a copy of the examination script that the claimant submitted to my client. My lord, my client was expected to give the claimant an A because of what she submitted. Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely.
My lord, I submit to the honorable court. Upon careful observer, you will notice that that examination script was empty. Is empty.
No,
Yeah.
not empty. Oh, it's not
Objection, my
empty.
lord. As we can hear, my client is a smart, beautiful, sexy girl.
It's not empty.
There is no how she will submit an empty examination sheet.
I wrote my name.
You wrote your name.
Just your name. Just your name.
My lord,
Just your name.
if you observe further, you will notice where she wrote her name is even wrong. She was required to fill in the matric number slot. She went to insert her name. My lord, I submit to this honorable court that she had a mission with that submission.
My lord, the mission, I will tell you, is mission of God. She is an NSPPD member, and as you can see, what God cannot do does not. My lord, she wrote my name and left the rest for me.
Oh, okay.
This rubbish where you talk now, it makes sense.
My lord, as you can see, I'm coming with exhibits. Professor Adebanjo, are you in the character of giving students grades that they did not deserve?
No, not at all.
So would you say that there was something she was expecting from you? Is why she submitted that exam script like that?
Exactly, my lord. That's why she wrote her name, hoping that I will see the name and act otherwise. But-
Before this period, has anything transpired between yourself and the claimant for her to expect such a favor from you?
My lord, he has done deaf and dumb, my lord.
and-
And he cannot answer.
My lord, this man is better than my name. Are you crazy? Did you see your man like this? What is even going on?
I'm sorry.
If you give my client time to answer questions.
What of it? I've had it up to here. Up to here. Up to here.
Sorry, my lord.
Okay?
Sorry, my lord.
Okay? Any further, anything you do further than this, and then you will see my inside. What's all this?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you not lawyers?
I'm sorry.
I'm sure you must be from the same school.
Never, my lord, never. I can never go to the same school with this riffraff.
I attended OAU. He attended OAFP because this is a test. Not a
Hello.
Some people read law, some people studied law. I did not read law alone, I studied it. This man is a vagabond.
I am observing law as it is right now. Okay? Sit down.
To answer the question, my lord.
Sit down. Let's settle down.
Pardon me.
Now answer the question.
No. Let everybody take a deep breath. Our pressure is off first.
Deep breath. Out. In, everybody. Out. Let's continue.
Okay, so Miss Esther and I are very, very close. She had made certain attempts at which I.
Thank you very much for that. My lord, if I may approach the bench with evidences of the attempts that the claimant has made towards my clients, but because he's a God-fearing man, he ignored.
Objection, my lord. My lord, we should be aware that we're in an era where AI exists.
Yes.
My lord.
Yeah.
Even looking at you, I'll be suspecting that you might be an AI.
Oh.
No, I'm just telling you how dangerous this has affected our society.
Then I will give you an AI judgment after. Thank you.
Sorry, my lord.
Nonsense.
Yes.
My lord, if I may.
Yes, you may.
You better carry your AI maneuvered evidence out of.
Hello, can I have a copy of that? Okay, I'd made this as evidence B. All right. Yes, if you may read aloud the contents of this text for the court to hear.
My lord, the messages you see were sent by the claimant to my client. And if I may read, my baby boo, I enjoy spending time with you. And it is my desire to spend time with you forever and ever and ever and ever.
My lord,
Yes?
I would have removed my wig if not that I'm in your presence. No girl can send a message and add more than one ever. My lord, that is why I say it's an AI. Maybe the AI is stammering as your assistant.
What are you trying to say?
Okay, I rest my case.
Sorry. No. What?
Are you crazy?
What?
If they burn you, well, talk straight. Hello. Don't talk like you send this text.
Boss, you can press charges after. Okay? Yeah? All right.
My lord,
Yeah.
if I may further substantiate the evidence before you, by requesting that the Honorable Court call that phone number on the text message if the phone in this bag does not ring.
My lord, he's stealing in court. He literally took my client's
I am making sure that evidence is not tampered with, my lord.
My lord, you need to
Then
remember
friend.
before he was a lawyer.
My lord, I am making sure that evidence is not tampered with. If the Honorable Court may permit that phone number be called and let us expose the owners of the fucking foul right in this court. I swear, on my God, it will ring.
Judge here. I am the judge here. Okay? Boss, do your duty. Do your duty.
No, be him I dey do. I want to pass like this. What the fuck I do?
Okay, face your. Continue. Focus. Get up. All right. I'll give you the phone back. Use mine. I think.
Please put it on loudspeaker so we can all hear.
Do I have last? Okay, I think I have last. Yeah.
Sorry, your account balance is too low for this call. Please recharge your account.
What a case, my lord.
My lord,
Sorry.
please, if I
I
may.
think we can see this part of the.
Hello. What? Why did you speak for you?
I'm sure you don't.
All the series of
my lord, tell me to call the number.
Hey.
If I may, my lord.
You call. Call with your phone.
Call with your phone.
You have a phone here?
Yes, my lord.
Please go.
Sorry, give me it. Let me just borrow this.
Okay.
All of everybody, the court should watch.
Please put it on speaker.
Yes, my lord. My lord, it is with this humble submission and on this note that I, Barrister Layi Wasabi Esquire, Barrister and Solicitor of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, Idamu High Court, decide to arrest my case.
Any more questions for?
Yes, my lord. My father, who? The omnipotent, the omnipresent, the first and the last, the upholder of injustice and the beholder of justice. My beautiful lord, if I may have your permission, I would like to approach the defendants.
Please, you have been asked.
My lord,
Better shut the fuck up.
Yeah?
My lord. Sorry, my lord.
Language.
Sorry, my lord. Mr. Adebanjo, if you can reiterate and remind me, what is your duty in that school?
objection, my lord.
Shut the fuck up! Can you keep quiet? You who are you to talk when I'm talking?
What are you talking?
Did I not let you talk?
When are you talking about? My lord,
Shut the fuck up! My lord, language. Shut the fuck up! Fuck up! Shut up! Sorry, my lord.
Ask your lordship, please.
I'm sorry.
My lord, I expected more from you. It's okay, my lord. It's okay. It's It's okay. We all go out of our line of service sometimes. All right. So
I'm calm now, okay? I'm calm now. Okay? I'm very, very calm now. Please, don't do this to me again. Okay? Don't do it to me again. Don't try it again, okay? I've sent many people to life in jail for this, okay? Okay? Wolves?
My lord, before I continue, let me reiterate that this case is a very emotional case. So it's okay for anyone to act out of emotion, like you just did. Now, going back, as you can see, I am holding a very rich file. Mr. Adebanjo, do you know any...
Professor Adebanjo, but go ahead.
My lord,
Please stay corrected, Professor.
Professor Adebanjo, do you know any lady by the name Anne Uwabomi?
Since she's my student, yes, I should.
Okay. Do you know Chidinma Fred?
Yes, incidentally, I
Do
do.
you know Doris Alfred?
Yes, I
Do
do.
you know Julius? Sorry, not Julius. Obiageli Julius.
Yes, I do.
Do you know Sophia Milton? Do you know Amintua Sylvester?
Where
Do you know Nena?
Where is
I just mentioned 10 ladies who are students to him, and as he has admitted that he knows them, you in one way or the other had something to do with this student aside teaching them.
No, I have not.
You have.
I'm not in the habit of doing that.
No, you have. And especially and you have.
Objection, my lord. The counsel is leading my witness and perjuring my witness. What is going on?
My lord, I know what I'm saying.
Objection sustained. What are you saying?
Mr. Professor Adebanjo, you know these 10 students.
Yes, because they are my
The fact that
students.
you know them and you can recognize them. That shows that you have had extracurricular activities aside teaching with them.
Right?
Am I right?
You're not, sir.
You just said to the court, to the honorable court, that a lot of ladies were throwing themselves at you, but my client decided to hold you to herself. You
Objection, my at this point,
I am
my lord.
repeating
I am
what your
tired
client
of
said.
objecting. Counsel is testifying. Please go straight to the point and let me go
Hey,
home, bro.
let me land. Did you say this or did you not say that?
I said that I have close relationships with all the students that I teach.
Female students.
Female students.
And-
And what I do is I advise them and make sure that they pass and get their grades correctly.
No.
Except for Esther, who thinks that I should give her grades because she thinks we're close.
My lord, please, permission to slap this defendant. What? My lord, I will slap. My lord, what's up? My lord, look, look, jump for this. My lord, look at who you are. My lord, leave me if I call you. I will match you. I will match you. I will match you. See, you better. See, right now. Let me tell you something. Actually, move from me. See, I will let you. You talk to me. 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 Is it because
Cross-examination.
this is not for me. You are a damn motherfucking nigga. Okay. You are a damn nigga.
I'm the court of where were you? I was court of report GSM. You are very stupid. My lord.
My lord. Please help my lord. This case is dismissed. My lord, you cannot dismiss this case. My lord, you cannot dismiss this case.
You know, this one not to the of ridiculous cuts. And the mumu cut clerk with the frustrated judge. And because of money, the case where the judge they solve. Now case we be seen on my person. No, so he get pressed, she get touched. He don't scatter, he don't bust. Since morning I never drop. Now this matter we day on wahala. He don't gas, he don't tuka, he don't cast. They go solve and we no sure. But it's okay, they for power. We get crazy, he get touched. He don't scatter, he don't bust. Since morning I never drop. Now this matter we day on wahala. He don't gas, he don't tuka, he don't cast. We go solve and we no sure. But it's okay, they for power.
For court, it all up a commodity. Objection, one yeah court. Fake barista, fake it like I want yeah judge. Lawyer no sabi, but in they represent us. See the story, you suppose to hear am before. And if you sabi better person, make it help us. Because if you hear their cases, you go start to fear God. Commotion and drama, on the head is in blood. You see the story, you suppose to hear am before.